Hi everyone, my name is Ileana Chavez and welcome to my online portfolio. For this show and tell, I will be going over LTDE 6300 course and I'm so excited, so let's get started. So here on the homepage of my portfolio, you will find my name and my title, teacher/student. As you scroll down, you will find a little bit about me. So there is a little paragraph where it goes into detail about me and my teaching journey and all that I have learned throughout my years, and a photograph of me. And I've also included a get in touch tab where you're able to email me with any questions or concerns based on the content that I have presented on this website. So once you scroll back up, you will see a home button and the coursework button. When you scroll down, we're going all the way to 6300. Click on that. So this is the title of the course, Learning Technology and Design Capstone. When you scroll down, it starts off with the first assignment of this course, so instructional design project identification. So for this project, we took on the role of instructional designers and picked a focus area within our own organization. I chose to tackle the challenge of improving our preschool's low-tech learning environment by introducing smartboards as a way to bring in more interactive and engaging tools for young learners. So here is that template of the identification project, and you can see it here, and you scroll down and just read all that I have covered. If we keep going, our next assignment was an instructional design project outline. So as an instructional designer, maintaining open and ongoing communication with stakeholders is key, especially when introducing new ideas. To support this, I created a detailed outline of the key components for my Smartboard integration project, and this allowed me to share the plan with stakeholders early on, gather their input, and get approval before moving forward. So again, here is a template for that outline. And as you scroll down, you'll be able to go through all the information that I was able to gather for our stakeholders. Next was our managing risk and escalation presentation outline. So here we were able to prepare for my presentation to project stakeholders. I created a detailed outline on managing risk and escalation that highlights the overreaching goals, key milestones, and a thorough SWOT analysis for the Smartboard integration initiative. So again, here is the outline for that and all that I was planning to present on my overall project for the stakeholders. Once we keep going, here is the actual managing risk and escalation presentation. In my managing risk and escalation presentation, I walk through the steps I plan to take to meet project goals and hit important milestones for integrating smartboards into the preschool classroom. I also included a detailed SWOT analysis outlining the key strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to the project. This helped give stakeholders a clear picture of what was working, what challenges we might face, and how we can make those the most of future opportunities. And I have linked the video to my presentation here, which is nice because you don't actually have to leave my website. You can watch the video on here and it won't open any extra tabs. Next was our communication providing constructive criticism assignment. So as the instructional designer, I was able to share positive feedback and helpful suggestions within stakeholders in a clear and professional way. I was also able to put together an emailed update to fill them in on some key changes and how things were moving along with the Smartboard integration project. And here is that email for the stakeholders that I was able to create. And lastly was our instructional design project, our final project, which was a presentation to our stakeholders. And this presentation was a great chance to wrap up and share everything we've been working on. I got to walk stakeholders through the project and explain how bringing smart boards into the preschool classroom really helped me my goal of creating a more engaging and interactive learning space. And with today's technology, I just see this taking off and just being an ongoing project throughout the years, because technology is taking over and our little ones love it very much and are very engaged. So that's all we want, is for them to be happy and have fun learning. So yeah, that wrapped up my last course, which was my LTDE 6300 course. And that is all. Thank you all for watching, and